Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our friendly English learning podcast. I'm James, your guide for simple, natural English you can use every day.
And hi everyone, I'm Sophia. Today's episode is going to be fun and dangerous because we're talking about shopping. And we all know shopping can break your bank and sometimes your brain.
That's true, but don't worry. Today, we will make shopping English simple, clear, and enjoyable. Whether you're buying clothes, groceries, electronics, or even a gift, these phrases will help you speak with confidence.
Yes, so listeners, get ready. Take a deep breath, relax, imagine a nice shopping mall, and let's learn English together.
All right, let's begin with the very first thing you hear in a shop. When you enter, a salesperson usually says, "Hello, how can I help you today?"
This sentence is like a mini heart attack for many English learners.
Yes, but the answer is very simple. Just say, "I'm looking for a t-shirt," or "I'm looking for a jacket," or "I'm looking for a birthday gift."
Oh, so the magic phrase is "I'm looking for." That makes life so easy.
Exactly. Let's practice with full examples. I'm looking for a new pair of jeans. I'm looking for a formal shirt. I'm looking for a comfortable hoodie.
I'll try too. I'm looking for shoes. I'm looking for a red dress. I'm looking for happiness.
Happiness is not available in the store, Sophia. Only discounts. Section 2. Asking for sizes. One of the most common things you'll need to say in a clothing shop is, "Do you have this in a larger size? Do you have this in a smaller size?"
I love these sentences because when something doesn't fit, instead of crying in the trial room, I can just ask politely.
Exactly. Let's say them slowly. Do you have this in a medium size? Do you have this in a large size? Do you have this in a small size?
I'll practice too. Do you have this in an extra large size? Do you have this in a smaller size?
Perfect. Section 3. Asking about price. The next important question is, how much is this?
Ah, yes. The question that decides whether I will buy it or silently walk away like a sad ninja.
Very true. Let's say it with confidence. How much is this? You can also say, what's the price of this item?
So simple. Why did I panic before?
Section 4. Trying something on. When you want to try something on, you say, "Can I try this on?" Or, "Where is the trial room?"
I need this. Sometimes I walk around looking for a trial room like I'm on a treasure hunt.
Let's repeat. Can I try this on? Where is the trial room? Is the trial room available?
Got it.
Section 6. Quick role play. Audience practice. Let's do a short role play. Listeners, repeat with Sophia. Situation. You enter a clothing shop. Salesperson. "Hello, how can I help you?"
I'm looking for a black jacket.
Salesperson. "What size?"
Do you have this in a medium size?
Salesperson. "It's $30.
Thank you. Can I try this on? This feels so real. I'm ready to go shopping now.
That brings us to the end of this part of the episode. Today we learned, I'm looking for, how much is this? Do you have this in a larger size? Can I try this on? Could you repeat that, please? Use these phrases every time you shop. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel.
And tell us in the comments, what is the last thing you bought while shopping? Clothes, shoes, snacks? We want to know.
Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll meet you in the next part.
Bye everyone. Happy shopping.